My dog just threw up. Welcome back. So today we're gonna be installing a shift boot on the Corvette. So any of you guys that have a C5 Corvette want to switch out your shift boot, here's the video for you. If you have any other car, I mean, this is pretty much the same deal, just other little steps. This shift boot I got is from In.Focus. Okay, maybe the camera isn't gonna focus or not. Let's see. Okay, well, it's In.Focus. What a pun. Here we go. Here's the shift boot. Oh, that's gonna focus. Yeah, it's called the cement shift boot. Some of you shoe guys might notice it looks like some pair of Jordans that have this little design. I'm pretty sure it's probably what it's based off of. Funny story, and I'm also going to give a shout out to In.Focus, but I was originally going to get a black and white shift boot, and I had ordered it, and they didn't have it in stock. They didn't show that on the website, but they didn't. So they emailed me. They said this was the closest thing that they had. Actually, I loved this one in the first sight, but I wanted black and white to try to match the interior. But ended up with it anyways. I still like it. I think it's gonna work. Behind me, boxes. These are the new seats for the Vette as well. Probably gonna get to these this weekend. And still waiting on the harness bar though. And I'll probably at least put the seats together and then just wait to put them in until the harness bar gets in, because I'd hate to get the harness bar in and then I'd hate to get the seats in and then have to put the harness bar in after that. Like, I'd rather just have the seats out the whole time and put the harness bar in then. And so I have no idea when that's going to get in. Hopefully it hurries up. But shout out to In.Focus, great customer service. The quality on this is amazing. Like, it's thick, it's not thin. This isn't no Hobby Lobby fabric. So with that, let's get to it. What is this? Huh? Is that what you're gonna do when I start the video? Alright, that's cool. That's cool. So, quick update on the Vette. It sucks. That's why I got the Super t-shirt on, because that's a real car. Actually, just kidding, I still love this thing. I don't even think I showed you guys the daily. That's the new daily, little Audi. That didn't happen. Typically, I will say in other cars, you're gonna have to take out your little middle plastic components and whatever to get to this. Sometimes the shift boot will actually be attached to your plastic, but in the Vette, they made it easy because Americans. And all you gotta do is squeeze this, and it comes right out. That easy. And of course, you know, you have to take your shift knob off and whatever, but I'm pretty sure you guys know how to do that. I would hope. Yeah, you can see mine's already broken as well, so that makes it even easier. And as I was telling you guys earlier, there's different ways to attach these things. This one, luckily, well, I don't know if luckily, but it's stapled together onto here. And then it's got these little tabs that kind of just help keep it in there. I'm gonna have to run to the store, get some staples. I have a stapler. Of course, I have at least one thing. That's actually a pretty good plus considering how all the other projects go. So I'm gonna go get some staples, come right back, and it should be easy peasy. Alright, so back at the staples. Luckily this is the right size. I thought they were gonna be small ones because I got a mini stapler. But anyways, here we go. We got the bottom piece once again. Just gonna have to figure out how to get these staples out real quick. So give me a second. Probably gonna get a flathead screwdriver. So this knife is gonna work. I'm just gonna take all these little staples out and we'll be good to go. Here we go, we got the base plate. I'm gonna put a little staple in there just to keep it a little bit more secure. It doesn't really give me any issues when it's actually in the car, but just to have that little sense of security. So the staples aren't gonna work, so I went out and got some super glue. We're just gonna use this instead. It'll hold it. All I need is just the hole. I did notice that There are some, let's see if you can see, there's some openings on the old one where those little tabs go into. So we're gonna cut those little openings on the new one, and now we should be set. Well, we finally got it. Here's our final product. See, it's on there. Got the little In.Focus logo right there. Looks amazing. I love it. Makes it even better that I did this all on my own, even if I got super glue on my fingertips. So yeah, the staples didn't work after all. I ended up just using some super glue. Works just as well. It's not gonna go anywhere. Of course, this is a C5 Corvette. It didn't work the way it was supposed to. It's a Corvette. It's an American car. But I will tell you, any of y'all that want to do these, it'll be a lot easier on a lot of the other cars. One, In.Focus does have a few cars on their list that they make specific boot covers for. And the universal ones, just like this one, usually, especially I know in the WRXs, around the base, they have tabs in here that all you gotta do is poke a little hole with the razor blade in your shift boot, and you can just slide it over and it'll pretty much hold in place, just that easy. But of course with mine I had to innovate a lot so it took a lot longer than it should have, but we're finally here. We got it done. Looks amazing. I love it. So nothing against In.Focus. Like I said, this is universal anyways. Just go in it prepared that you may have to do some cut-in, some different innovations to get it to work. But typically, the cars will have little tabs that all you gotta do is cut the fabric and slip the fabric over it and it'll hold it. So with that, I guess it's time to put it in the car. Now I apologize with the lighting. I'm just using my phone light right now. You got it right there next to the camera. I had planned on trying to get this done during the day, so, but we all know things happen. But here we go. And that does it right there. Alright, now I notice there is a lot of give right here, and I'll go ahead and talk to you guys about that in a little bit when I get back inside. But I always have this necklace around my shift boot. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this around there. Hopefully I can try to get it tight enough to where it won't move around so much on me. There was some slack in the shift boot coming down. In.Focus does sell their own shift knobs. If you do buy one of their shift knobs, there's actually a little ring inside the shift boot that will lock into place on the shift knobs. Now of course you don't have to buy the shift knob if you don't want to, but if you do, then you won't have to worry about that. You may be able to find a way to put a zip tie on the inside to do it. I'm not too worried about mine. Mine didn't have that much play. Like, it's not going to move on me unless I push down on it. And then I try to get in my necklace as tight as I could. It helps a little bit, but not that much. But like I said, I'm not too worried about it. Once again, everything that happened in this video is not In.Focus's fault. It's a universal product. You're going to have your issues. But with that, I highly recommend In.Focus. If you guys are looking for a new shift boot, go to them. High quality. The finish is great. We'll see how it handles in this Texas heat, but I don't see it fading out or anything like that anytime soon, or if any at all. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to get that done today. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I keep forgetting to tell you guys this, but if you subscribe, or if you are a subscriber and you haven't hit that bell, the notification button, I don't know what side is going to be on that at this point, but if you haven't hit that yet, hit that so you can get notifications every time I upload a video. Once again, just thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time with our next project, which hopefully is going to be those seats. Well, it is, but I just hope we get the harness bar in. I don't know what's going on with that. But anyways, catch you guys later. Remember, stay stellar.